In the name of Jesus, I command my hair follicles have tightened up. I command my hair to stay in place, and where growth is needed, I release growth into my hair follicles. I believe that every hair follicle on my scalp is healed according to 1 Peter 2:24. Lord, your word says that Jesus himself took my infirmities and bore my sickness. Therefore, with confidence, I stand on the authority of your word and declare that each hair follicle is renewed and redeemed. Fallen hair loss is already restored and new hair growth has begun in the mighty name of Jesus. I hold fast to this confession of your word and I stand knowing that health and healing are mine right now in the mighty and powerful name of Jesus.